Hey fashion lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making the perfect summer dress that's breezy, stylish and super easy to sew with my ready to use sewing pattern. Trust me, once you make it, you will want to wear it on repeat all summer long. First things first, let's cut out our pieces. You will get the full cutting and fabric guide with the pattern. So no guesswork here. Just lay out your fabric, follow the guide and cut out all the pattern pieces you need. Now, take your front top putty and place it on top of the right top panel. Make sure the right sides are facing each other. Sew along the edge and once done, simply fold the putty towards the wrong side. To give it that neat, professional look, top stitch along the edge. It makes a huge difference in the finish. Alright, moving on, let's add some style and shape with pleats. On the right side of your fabric, trace the pleat lines for both the front and back pieces. Now make knife pleats facing towards the center and the open part of the front, just like shown in the pattern. Once they are in place, top stitch along the marked lines to lock them in. Repeat the same process for the back piece too. Next, hem the sleeve edges by double folding them and sewing neatly along the edge. This keeps everything clean and fray-free. Now for the back neckline, I am finishing it using the canvas method. Place your canvas on the back neckline, sew and then flip it to the inside. It's time to join the shoulders. With the front shoulder underneath the back canvas neckline, sew the shoulders together, then fold the canvas to the wrong side and stop stitch it in place. Sew the sides of the dress and give the bottom hem a clean finish. For the front closure, sew your buttons and buttonholes. I went with 4 buttons on the top, then top stitched the rest and left the bottom slightly open for a breezy summer vibe. And that's it, our dress is ready. Here's our beautiful summer dress, flowy, comfortable and handmade by you. If you try this pattern, don't forget to tag me so I can see your amazing creations. Make sure to like this video, subscribe for more sewing tutorials and hit that bell so you don't miss the next one. Until next time, happy sewing!